Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'du. Okay, hello everyone. In this pretty morning, we're gonna do a little event in English lesson, which is TOTD or Teacher of the Day. So in here, I'll be the teacher of this event, and I would like to deliver the material about how to make some widget in Flutter. The name is button. Okay. For make this event be faster, let's start this event with basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And the first step that you have to do, that is open your Android Studio like this. But if you don't have the Android Studio, you can download first in your browser or in your open source like Google Chrome, Safari, or others. Just open in your browser and let's type Android Studio. And then there are many buttons here. You can click the first website or the first button in your browser. Download Android Studio. And in this website, you can download Android Studio Narwhal. This is the last version of Android Studio. Okay. If you have download Android Studio, you can make a new project here. You can open your application and let's click the file button here and click new Flutter project, because we gonna make some Flutter project, so we cannot make a new project. Okay, after you click new Flutter project, you can click next here. And white. Okay, this is our page of Android Studio. Okay, the first step is you can make file in a lib folder. Click here and search the Dart file. You can click the button here and let's make the name, that is my underscore button. Okay, the first step is type the code like STL or stateless. You can enter here, and this is the template of the widget code, and then you can type my button. This is the class name, and if there is red text, you can click and click the what? Oh. Okay, you can import this code for solving the problem before, and after that you can connect to the main.dart. The tip is in home codes, my home page, rename to be my button, and delete this one. Okay, After that, let's go to the return con placeholder and change this code to the scaffold. Okay, the first one is running the Elementor first. We wait until finish the Elementor, and this need a few minutes. Okay, this is still a lot. The first one, we can type body code into scaffold like this body, and then type a grid view. No, just row it. It's row. Okay, the Elementor is already done, and you can see here there is our Elementor, and after row we can type children, and then into children we can type
how many minutes?
elevate button. And change this on press to be this one, and in this style we can change to text and fill the text to be my button.
Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, this is our button.
My name is Arwa, and today I want to teach about
And for
simple present.
styling, we can click
Okay.
this row.
So, what is simple present? Simple present is used to describe daily activities, habits and routines, general facts, and
Type the new
truth.
button one.
And the last is scheduled events or timetables. For examples,
Put button
is
and outline
I go
button.
to school every morning, and
And
the sun rise
change
in the
on
east.
press it to be this one,
Okay.
and the chill to be a text also.
The next is for the sentence structure of simple present. The first is positive sentence.
Okay,
or
here
or
we have
affirmative.
two buttons,
And
and then
The format or the
to make a space
format is like this:
up
subject
button,
plus
we can
verb or verb one, or subject
add the
plus
size
verb
box.
plus s or es in the end of the
Just add
sentence,
the head.
end of the word. After that, for he, she, it is just for he, she, it.
We can add 24.
Like the example is, I study English every day. She
cannot.
watch TV at night. This is the example from this
You
format.
can use padding
Like if use she,
and
so
cut
the verb
row
must
into
add
padding.
es or s. And the last is he drinks coffee in the morning. This is the same like the sample as the second format. Add s in the end of the word. Okay. Next is the negative sentence. For the negative sentence, the format is subject plus do or does plus not plus verb one or base verb.
Okay. Wait first.
Okay, so for do is for I, you, we, they, and does for he, she, it. Like example is I do not like tea or I don't like tea. This is use I for the subject. So
Okay, cut the row.
after that you
And
must
move
use
into
do because the
a
subject
child.
is I. After that she
And then
does
add
not
the
eat milk, eat meat,
Padding code.
and then they do not play football. This is use she, so the after she
Instead,
must use does. And the last sentence is
only.
question sentence or interrogative.
and setting the
The format is do or does
button.
plus subject plus
and
verb
add
1.
24
For the
and
example,
25.
do you play the guitar? Does he go to school by bike? And do they like ice cream? Okay, so we just
Okay,
go into the third
we can add 50.
material.
It is
It is when to use
Okay,
the simple
this is
present
our
tense.
button, and yeah, we already have two
Okay,
buttons
so
here.
for
We
the-
can use elevate button,
This
and
is
we
type
can use
expression. Type
outline
expression
button.
is for
This is a different button
keterangan
in
waktu.
Flutter.
like this sample sentence is
Okay, maybe
I
that's all
always
for me.
brush my teeth
Thank you
before
very
bed.
much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum
And the next is
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
usually, often, or sometimes.